Hello 10th students. Today we will study about the next topic of periodic classification. Okay. In last class I was gave you some introduction about the chapter and give some homework also. Okay. And homework I was telling you that you learn 1 to 20 at least atomic number. Okay. So now we are looking second topic of this chapter, and the second topic is rules. There are some rules are given by some scientist. And what is this rules? First rule is Dobelnier prides. Okay, so what is Dobelnier rules? Dobelnier rules was according to Dobelnier the atomic mass of middle element is approximately equal to the arithmetic rest of 2. Okay, and basically this rule is given for the groups. Okay, in period table we know that there are two categories. First is period and second is group. So this rules is given for the groups. Okay, and I am giving one example to you. This example is lithium, sodium and potassium. This is the first group elements. Okay, so according to this rules, the atomic mass of sodium is equal to the rest of these two, first and third element. How? I will explain you. What is the atomic mass of lithium? 7. And what is the atomic mass of potassium? Is at least 40. So there are 47 divided by 2. So how many we get it? 23.5. Exactly, this is the atomic mass of sodium. So this is a Dobelnier-Pride's rules. Okay, I am taking one question on this topic. The question is the atomic mass of chlorine and iodine is 35.5 and 125.5. So find the atomic mass of bromine. Okay, when this types of question will come in exam, then first you know which group they are belonging. Okay, and what is the arrangement of these elements. Okay, so they are belonging from 17 group, and the name of this group is halogen. Okay, and the arrangement of these elements are chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. And what is the atomic mass of chlorine? Is 35.5. And what is the atomic mass of iodine? Is 125.5. Okay, then you add this 2. So how many we get it? 125.5 and 35.5. Okay, so we are getting 161. 161 upon 2. So 80.5. Exactly, what is the atomic mass of bromine? Is 80.5. So this is Dobelnier-Pride's, and we easily get the atomic mass of middle elements by the help of first and third. Okay, when the exam when the value are giving by the giving in the question paper, there are no problem. But when there are no value, so you just learn the value also. Okay, that's why I am telling you that you learn 1 to 20 atomic number. So this was the Dovelian tribes. In next class, we will study about the next rules. Okay.